Hi all. So here's the plan. I'm gonna move these lights here. They don't work down here. They always get shoved back. So when I put them in, I left plenty of wire. It's all wrapped around, shoved on top of the spare. So I'm gonna move them up here. I thought about drilling a hole here, but after I walked around the store and looked at the bolts, I just bought a couple clamps to go around here. So I picked these up at Tractor Supply. I think in some areas it's called Farm Store. So these are for putting a light bar on the front of your truck. Like on some type of cage on the front of the truck or something. But I'm gonna try to use them on the back. It's the right size, 2-inch. I'm just gonna have to jimmy rig some type of bracket up here. So that's the plan. Okay, so let's open this up. Check out the directions here. They give you one to fit here. Okay, I see what they're doing now. Okay, so here's one of the lights. See, if I put that on the bar like that, then I put this on here like this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to angle that, so let's take a look at that. Oh, first thing, this bolts won't fit in here. Just barely miss it. Okay, I'm gonna go put them on the vise, see if that works. So they drilled out real easy. They must be made out of aluminum. So that should go in there now. It's still a little tight. Okay, so that'll work. What I was worried about was not being able to angle this down because I want to shine it at the ground. I did a video when I installed these. So there's plugs in the back. So that's nice. Because if one breaks, then you can just unplug it. You don't have to cut and splice the wire. So. Okay, so what I'm hoping is to put these on here. So I guess that's not bad, you know. That didn't tighten up a lot. Plus, what I wanted was I wanted the light to come down. You know, if I tilt this down some, see if I take that and tilt it down, it's going to hit the truck. I want it to hit the ground. I suppose it would be all right like that, but this is loose. I've got some sheet rubber I could stick in there. It's just one more layer, it would tighten up. Okay, so I drilled a hole right here. There's nothing down below here. Okay, I think I like that better. Seems a little bit more sturdy. What I wanted to do was put these up on like a stand. You know, that's why I wanted to use these. You got them up higher. You know, if that would come up here, then it would shine down. But I think that'll be okay. If I stand here and look at this, it hits the truck a little bit here, but it's still, you know, where I'm backing up, it'll light it up. Okay, and then if it doesn't work, I can later bring them up a little bit. Put like a piece of pipe in there or something. This makes it better for the wire too. Drop the wire right down there. I can bring the wire up right through there. Okay, so let's do the other side. Got a flat washer, lock washer, and then the nut. Next, I got to get that wire up there. Okay, so I got a hole right there. I just drilled it out with a big drill. Now I'm going to go down and feed the wire up from the bottom. Okay, so there's the back bumper. I just drilled up there. That way I did hit that beam there. And then once I got the small hole started from this side, I drilled the bigger hole from the top. Okay, so I was just going to drop the wire down through here, but then that would mess up my my board. So I'm trying to put it down through here. I had to drill out a little bit here. And I had to drill that hole out down there a little bit. There's a hole right there. This still isn't going to lay flat. This still isn't going to lay flat. I'm going to have to cut that out even more. So. Okay, so I ended up drilling this out just a little bit. and stuck the wire down through there. I had to take all that out. Wire comes down into that beam, and then in the back here there's a hole in the back of the beam. I had to drill that out just a little bit, and so the wire drops down through there. Okay, and then wire, I just ran it along the back of the truck bed, down below by the bumper, and that plugs in there. And that'll be good for that. Okay, see ya. Bye.